A local group named Maharajpur Educated Society has launched a tree plantation program with a focus on aesthetics and providing food for birds. Trees such as bougainvillea, frangipani and tamarind, along with various fruit and flowering plants, were planted as part of this initiative. The activity took place on Monday morning at 10 a.m. across several educational institutions in the Muksudpur Upazila of Gopalganj district. Mohammad Abu Naim, a member of the group and proprietor of the Bonogram Bazaar agent branch of Islami Bank Bangladesh, stated that the trees were selected with multiple purposes in mind: environmental balance, beautification and bird sustenance. He said, Maharajpur Educated Society is a unique platform, not quite a formal organization. An organization usually has a committee, ranks and titles. We don't have any of that. Everyone here is a general member. It's a place for people from the union who have at least a graduate degree and positive thinking to come together. There is no funding or collection of donations. Every initiative is discussed and members contribute voluntarily according to their capacity. All expenses are transparently settled immediately after each event. Another member, Inamul Mia, an English lecturer at Government Gopalganj College, added, "We, the educated class in rural areas, are often isolated. Even with good intentions, we struggle to carry out positive initiatives. Local politics is also a hurdle. Maharajpur Educated Society serves as a valuable space to overcome those challenges." On Monday morning, the tree plantation was carried out at Golabaria High School, Ramkrishnapur Government Primary School and Ramkrishnapur Idgah. Notable attendees included Senior Warrant Officer Mohammad Mujahid Hussain from the Bangladesh Air Force, Inamul Molla, Manager of Agrani Bank's Muksudpur branch, Mohammad Abu Naim from Islami Bank, Lecturer Inamul Mia from Government Gopalganj College, Engineer Rahat Robi, Hossein Ahmed Kabir, journalist and member of Ward No. 1 of Maharajpur Union, and Golabaria High School head teacher Ariful Islam, among others. Desk report, Bangladesh Guardian.